Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, it's actually a video request. It's how to make your DSC sound like a car alarm. Every time you arm it, it makes that loud chirp. When you disarm it, it makes a double chirp. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so there's two ways of doing this. You could do it so that you enter a code or use the quick codes, it'll chirp, or just the quick codes will make it chirp. And that way is good. So if you're residential, you know you're coming home late at night, it's not going to disturb the neighbor because this does get really loud. Okay, so the first option I'm going to show you, first thing you're going to do is you need to know your installer's code in order for this to work. So we're going to hit *8. Now we're going to hit default is 4 5s. Yours might be different. If you know it, great. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First section we're going to do is 0, 1, 4. You're going to hit 1. Then pound. Now we're going to go to 0, 1, 7. And now we're going to hit 8. Then hit pound. And pound again. Just to exit out. So now, if I enter the code normally, it doesn't do anything. It's like your regular alarm. Okay, so now if I use the quick buttons, you hear the chirp. Keep in mind, every time you use a quick button, even if you come home late, now when you enter your code, it's always going to chirp. So that's the key here. So if you don't want it to chirp, enter your code manually and it will not chirp. And this way it won't disturb your neighbors. And when you do want it to chirp, now you're going to use the quick buttons. Keep in mind this option here, even if you use stay, it will not chirp. Okay, so now let's say you do want it to chirp all the time, manually entering your code or the quick buttons. What you're going to do is *8. Once again, your installer's code 5555. Now we're going to go to section 017. You're going to remove the 8. By removing the 8, now the whole keypad will chirp. Both options. Pound. Pound again. So now, if I do the quick button, okay. Keep in mind, guys, this option, even stay, it's going to chirp. Okay, now if we enter the code manually, it chirps. Once again, you don't want it to chirp. *8 5555 017. Like I said, the 8 is the key. Then pound, pound, and now it goes back to just the quick buttons. Alright guys, if you have any other questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.